If the reporting verb is in future tense, the tense of the reported speech do not change. Okay, so okay, direct. He says, I have passed the examination, as we read this before. Okay, direct, he will say I will come. Indirect, he will say that he will come. So these are in future. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tenses of the reported speech change. He said, I am fine. He said that he was fine. Okay, let's go ahead. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tenses of the reported speech change. He said, I am fine. He said that he was fine, as we read this ago. Okay, direct, indirect table again. That is another one. Present indefinite, past indefinite. Okay, present indefinite. We will learn do, past indefinite date. Okay, like that. Present continuous, past continuous. Is, are, am, was, were. Present perfect, past perfect. Has, have, and had. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Has been, have been, had been. There is only one had been. Past indefinite, past perfect. Went, had gone. That's amazing. As if I am saying that I went to school, and if we talk about past perfect, what we say, we had gone to school, like that. I had gone to school, you had gone to school, like that. Past perfect, past perfect. Had, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Will would be changed into would. Now would be changed into then. It would be changed into that. Today, that day, here, and there. Okay, so this, that. This week, that week, these, those, thus, so, tomorrow, the following day, the next day, the day after, next week, the following week, the next week, the week after. The day before, the days before. Yesterday, the previous week, the week before, ago, before, like that. 2 weeks previously, like that. Last Saturday, the previous Saturday, the Saturday before. Let's come to the change. Okay, now we learn something else. As we have learned direct and indirect speech, now we are going to learn something else. This is the direct and indirect speech chapter. Let's go to modal verb. Okay, what are the modal verbs? Modals are helping verbs. They are used with the base form of the verb. Modals create verbal phrases. A modal do not change form.